Hey guys, Sonance here, back with another video. In this video I want to show you how to make your Future Bass drops sound way bigger. It will sound something like this. If you want more presets like this, make sure to check the link down below. So, let's dive into the preset. It sounds like this. So let's go to the preset. Lower oscillator A 2 octaves. And put a weakness in. Just like this. And then add for 1 to the level. Just one here. Set it to 16ths. That's like Xfer for B. For B we're going to use the monster wave table. This one, put it up 15 unison. Just on here. Put a wave table on here. And lower down 2 octaves. Then with the LFO to it as well. Just like this. So then enable the sub oscillator, select direct out, and lower it down 1 octave. So that's it for oscillators. Let's dive into the filter section. Select this one. Just like this. So now select mono legato. Just like this. So that's it for the oscillators. Now let's dive into the FX section. First select hyperdimension. Just like this. Now we're going to use distortion. We're going to use the diode 2. We're going to add for 1 to it. Just like this. Then we're going to use some OTT compression. Just like this. Then add the chorus. Some EQ as well. Do the low cut and boost heights. And for the sound we're going to use a filter, the reverb filter. This one will make a preset. Do the cut and the breath. This will make it way bigger. And to finish up the sound, we're going to use some reverb. Just like this. So there is your bass line. When you put it beneath your chorus will sound way bigger. Something like this. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video.